Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose, where I do a couple unboxings and a lot of it's beauty products from makeup to skincare to hair care, and also do travel blogs. So welcome to my channel. To this month we're going to be doing GlossyBox June 2019 unboxing. Let's go right into it. Alright, so this is a monthly subscription for $21.99 per month. And again, a cute little pretty box. Open it up. And the box comes out like this, has a cute pamphlet every month, and nice ribbon tied up. Let's see, there you go. Let's get into it. All right. So you untie it, and ooh, fun products. Here you are. And each box is supposed to be valued around $100 or more, I believe, of products in here, anywhere from full size to deluxe size to even sometimes travel size. So let's see. This month it says, "Cheers, Glossies. Now that summer is full swing, it'll seem like your schedule is getting packed with weddings, brunches, bridal showers, and everything in between. Luckily, we've put together an ultimate guest list in June's GlossyBox so you can RSVP to any occasion." Let's see. Okay. And the pamphlet comes with all the different products in here. Let's see. The first product we're going to go ahead and pull out is from Morgan Taylor Professional Nail Lacquer. Which one is that? Oh, here it is. Oh, okay, how cute. It's a little nail polish. And this one is in... what color is this? Love Be a Lady. Oh, let's see. Well, that's a pretty shade. Something I could work with. Let's put a little bit on. Oh, I like it. And add this to my nail polish collection. It's cute. It's pretty neutral, but I like it. I like it a lot. So putting some of that on sometime. I do need to do my nails later on. It doesn't tell you the, oh, here it is. Full size value, and the bottle comes as features is $9.50. And again, this is from Morgan Taylor Professional Nail Lacquer, $9.50 for the bottle, and this is Love Be a Lady shade. Okay, next we're gonna pick out Emma Hardy Purifying Pink Clay Mask. Okay. This, and this one is a 0.5 fluid ounces, and this mask or clay mask glides over the skin to gently exfoliate away impurities with moringa oil and Australian pink clay, while also providing deep hydration. The end result: clear, radiant, glowing skin. Oh, that's kind of cool. And I love that it's in travel size. I'm not going to open it up because I've got so many masks I got to go through. So again, this is a clay mask, pink clay mask. That's exciting to use. Next is Invisibobble, the Waver. What is that? Looks like this. Oh, it's a hair clippy. Okay, it's no metal, no traces, that simple. Nothing else about it. It's perfect for hairstyling, updos, or just holding back the hair in place while doing the makeup. This is game-changing, non-crimping bobby pin. It's alternative to going to be your new best friend and hair revolutionary Invisibobble. That's kind of cool. It's 3D helix shape, side lock technology, and strong hold. Your hair will thank you with no dents, bends, or flyaways. That should be fun to use. Again, it looks like that. And it's an invisible color. Okay. All right. Next, it is from Omorivixia. I believe I've gotten products from this company before. I'm not sure which box I got it from. And this is a featured size is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounces. Featured value. This is full size. Huh. I'm not sure if this is full size or not, but it says featured size is 30 milliliters, feature value is $30. So I'm not sure if this is full size or not. I doubt it. I highly doubt this is full size. So it's 1 fluid ounces from Curative Waters of Budapest, all Omorovicia. I'm probably messing up that so much. Products have a blend of Hungary's mineral-rich springs in their patented healing concentrate delivery system. This cleansing foam is combined with the finest essential oils, vitamins, and other natural ingredients sourced from across the globe, from the bed of Lake Heves to the peak of Andes Mountains. So basically it's a small amount, put a small amount upward circles for roughly 20 to 30 seconds. Any longer can lead to skin irritation. So I gotta remember not to use it more than 20 to 30 seconds. That should be fun. It's a foaming cleanser. Valued at $30, but I'm not sure this is the full size one. I think this is just the travel or deluxe size. Okay, next we're gonna do Hask Unwind. Prevents Rose Deep Conditioner and Hask Unwind Brute Deep Rose Conditioner. So 2 different conditioners. Looks like they're travel size. Comes in like that. So this is the Brute Rose Inspired Deep Conditioner. It's for color, protect, and hydrate. It's gonna be good for my travels. And this is a Provence Rose Inspired Deep Conditioner to color, protect, and revitalize. The deep conditioner. Nice little packaging here, easy to travel with. Excited to use that. And the last product in here, it looks like it is an eyeshadow palette from Sleek Makeup. And this is a full size. Featured price or full size value is $11.99. Oh, these little things each cost, this is the packet size. Full size value is $4 for these hair conditioners. Now for this face or eyeshadow palette, value is $11.99. Let's open it up and see what's in it. What kind of shades they are. Oh, take this tape off. Again, this is GlossyBox, monthly subscription, $21 plus tax per month. And I believe it's free shipping. Here's the nice packaging. It says Sleek. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, it's cracked. Yikes. All right. I'm not going to mess with it too much. It comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 shades, some shimmers, some mattes. Let's go ahead and swatch some of this out. Let's do this gold one here. This darker greenish gold tone. Let's see how that swatches out. Oh, that's not bad. Let's see if you can see that. So this is the darker, almost greenish copper tone. This is more of the gold tone. All right, let's swatch out. Let's try this one on top here. Ooh, this is really light. It's okay. I mean, I'll play with the colors. Again, one of it just cracked right over here on the bottom. It's cracked open. I'll try it out. If not, I'll pass it along if I don't use it. Pass it to probably my mother-in-law or a friend of mine. All right, so that is this month's GlossyBox for June 2019. Monthly subscription, again, is $21.99 per month. Package comes pretty quickly. Like, if they bill you on the 1st, you usually get it within the next 7 days to 10 days or even less. I believe I got this box pretty quickly. And the value of it, anywhere between $75 to $100 or more. Pretty worth it, I would say. Again, check it out. GlossyBox for the month of June 2019. All right, folks, that is it for this one. And I will be doing another unboxing for you later on. Have a great day. Don't forget to like this video if you did and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.